In this video, you'll learn how to use dependencies in Trello using Placker. In our projects, usually we have tasks that depend on information of other tasks in order to get started. In this example, to start market research, we need to finish planning. So we're going to click the card Market Research, click Add Dependency, and add a predecessor. That is, the card that needs to be finished before this card can start. We will select Planning, and now it's clear to whoever will work on market research that this depends on planning, and this will also set a start date to December 28th and a due date estimated to December 31st with a duration of 4 hours. There is a visual way of seeing the dependencies of all your cards by clicking Gantt, and this will take you to Placker.com and show you a Gantt chart showing a list of cards, a timeline, and arrows showing the dependencies between the cards that you have in your project. To delete a dependency, you may click the arrow on Placker.com and delete dependency, or go back to Trello, click the card, and click delete.